Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Marshall Major 5 wireless Bluetooth headphones and you are trying to pair them with your iPhone, your Android phone, a tablet, a computer, whatever. This video is going to explain real quickly how to do it. So you might be setting this up for the first time, or you might be trying to pair a new device. If you're setting it up for the first time, you're just going to press and hold this control button until the device, this light here next to the jack, the USB-C jack, starts to pulse blue, and then we can go on our device and then select this headset from our available devices, and it should automatically connect. If we want to pair something new, we're just going to come in with the headset already turned on. We're just going to double tap this control button until the LED again starts to slowly pulse in blue, and then the same thing, we'll go back to our phone and select the Major 5 from our list of available devices. Now we can have up to 2 devices connected, and if you press play on one device, it will pause on the other one and start playing on that device. If you try to pair a third device, it'll kick the older of the 2 pairings off. So anyways, hopefully this will fix all your pairing needs. You get all your pairing needs set up. If you're having issues with it not pairing, you might want to try a factory reset on these headphones. I'll put a link in the description to how to do that. And if this worked for you, if you could leave me a like on the video, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.